hope you're all having a great day. Today I'm going to be working on a 12 by 12 canvas. I do have it on my spinner, you can see. And really quick before we get started, for me, I know I've been asked several times about what I put on my spinner so that my canvas doesn't go flying. And all I do is use these silicone mats. They work perfect for that. They kind of are grippy, so they hold on to the canvas a little. Now you still can't whip it around, but it works really, really good. And I also, to keep my spinner somewhat clean, I cover it in Glad Press and Seal, and that seems to help keep it clean for the most part. And then you can just, remove it and put new on it when you need to. All right, so today is a cool day. It's going to be a fun day, and it's a giveaway day. Yay! So this is what I will be giving away: the world's smallest blower with my attachments. So it comes with 3 attachments. You've got the bigger one, the middle-sized one, and then the smaller one. Now this one here is really the most powerful one. It's the one I'll be really mainly using today. So that's what is going on. Super, super cool. I'll get into the details of how to enter to win, and then I will be announcing the winner soon after that. So let's just go ahead and get started. I've got a bunch of colors that I'm using today. Most are Pebeo, so I've got the Pebeo. They're all the iridescent. I've got blue, black, violet blue. And I do apologize for my voice. My allergies are really acting up these last few days, so that's why I sound a little funny. All right, this one here is blue-green. We've got green-yellow. And then this one is gold. I think that's just regular gold. Yeah, that's just regular gold. And then these two I've got orange and then red, blue. Now I'm also going to be using golden carbon black and also some folk art white pearl. So all of these colors here are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol water, and some golden GAC 800, and those are mixed 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium, and you can kind of see the consistency there. Runs right off the stick and then into a mound, and it quickly disappears. And then for my cell activator that I will be using today, you can kind of see that as well. This one is mixed 1 teaspoon of the carbon black with 3 tablespoons of Australian Floetrol. All right, that's the best recipe that I have used. I have really good results using that recipe. And then my white pearl here is also mixed with my regular pouring medium as well. And I think I mixed that 2.5 pouring medium to 2.5 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. All right, so I did a little experiment on a tile, and it turned out pretty cool. So you got all of the colors here going on. So hopefully I will get kind of the same results. Now that I did not spin, so I put it on the spinner just in case I want to spread out the paint a little bit more. So I'm just going to go ahead here and get started real quick, moving some things around though really quick. Got too much stuff in my way here. All right, so first I am going to go ahead and put on the white pearl. And I kind of have, an outline of where I want to put this. So I'll start it that way, and then I'm just going to go ahead and dump it on this way a little bit. spatula out and get that spread. Okay. Whoop, I gotta move some of these. I don't normally use this many colors, you know, unless I'm doing like a rainbow thing, something rainbowy. My nails are all colorful, so I thought I would kind of do a, you know, a colorful painting too. Many colors. I usually stick to, you know, no more than 5 colors. That's just me. But every once in a while I do like a rainbow pour, and of course you gotta have more than 5 colors. All right, I'm also going to go ahead here and just pop these air bubbles, as many as I can kind of get out there. All right, so for the giveaway, what you need to do is like my video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, make sure to leave a comment, and share the video as well. Might be somebody that you know that might like it, so go ahead and share it with them. All right, and I will give you some more details later on. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and start adding the colors here. Whoops, I want to, let me see, get on my stir sticks here. I'm going to add a little more black right here, kind of make that more rounded there. All right. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a little bit of each of the colors and kind of just go like that. I'm going to overlap a little on each one. Hopefully this works out. It worked out really nice on my practice tile, so fingers crossed it works out again. Alright. These are really, really pretty iridescents from Pebeo. I've used them many times before. I don't think I've used all of them like this before. So, a little more there. All right. Okay, so move this over here. All right, guys, so this is the one that I'm using. You can see I've got the middle size one, and I'm just going to go ahead and start blowing the paint through. I think my paint was too thin right there. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to switch, and I'm going to put the bigger one on now. I'm going to just kind of fan those out a bit. Okay guys, here we go with the dried photos, and I love how this dried. It pretty much dried exactly like it was wet. I love all the iridescent color. I love the subtle and the softness in the white pearl as well. Don't forget guys, to enter you need to like the video, subscribe if you are not already, and also to share this video and leave a comment. That's important. Make sure to leave a comment. And good luck to everybody that is entering. I will be drawing a name next Saturday, and I will announce it next Sunday in my next my Sunday video. All right, guys, don't forget to check out all of my acrylic pouring tools in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description, and I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one.